Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day. Today I've got another easy tutorial for you, which is how to rename chats in ChatGPT. So this is a good idea to keep your chats organized and things like that. So on the left-hand side, you can see all my chats here. Each one is named, so it helps me if I want to go back to that chat at a later date. So you can see here I've got Pinterest pin descriptions. So I use ChatGPT to write those for me. So instead of like starting a new chat every time, I can just go straight to that one. But if I wanted to rename it, I just click on the three dots, click on rename, and then put my cursor in. I can delete that and add something else in, like new chat or something like that. Then I just press enter and that is renamed, and then I can come back to it at a later date quickly and easily. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for listening and see you in another video. Give us a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.